Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie. 大家好，我係 Marie. Welcome to the Cantonese whiteboard lessons. In this lesson, you will learn how to say where you are from in Cantonese. Let's get started. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the names of the places. Find what the place is and see how it's used in the dialogue. 你邊度嚟㗎？你邊度嚟㗎？ Where are you from? 我西貢嚟嘅。我西貢嚟嘅。I'm from 西貢。Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our examples will follow. 我 place name 嚟嘅。我 place name 嚟嘅。I'm from place name. Now let's look at some speaking examples. 我元朗嚟嘅。我元朗嚟嘅。I'm from Yuen Long. 我大埔嚟嘅。我大埔嚟嘅。I'm from Tai Po. 我中環嚟嘅。我中環嚟嘅。I'm from Central. 元朗大埔中環 中環 is located in Central and Western District. Hong Kong is divided into 3 main regions. 香港島 Hong Kong Island. 九龍 Kowloon. 新界 New Territories. Each of these regions has its own unique character, history, and cultural vibe. Do you remember how to say 西貢? 西貢 西貢 and how to say Yuen Long? 元朗元朗 Do you remember how to say Tai Po? 大埔大埔 Do you remember how to say Central? 中環中環 Do you remember how to say where? 邊度邊度 Do you remember how to say are you from? 嚟㗎嚟㗎 Do you remember how to say where are you from? 你邊度嚟㗎你邊度嚟㗎 Do you remember how to say I am? 我 Do you remember how to say from? 嚟嘅嚟嘅 And how to say I'm from 西貢我西貢嚟嘅 我西貢嚟嘅。In this lesson, you learned how to say where you are from in Cantonese. Thanks for watching. I'm Marie and I will see you on CantoneseClass101.com. 再見!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.